learned to draw at such a young age. Then one day his drawings came to life. As the clock strikes 5, Curtoon World comes alive. Be careful or you'll get pulled into the flames. Curtoon time, Curtoon time, Curtoon time, Curtoon time. Private Petey says hello, can't wait to start the show. There's magic in the air with Mr. Wizard. All the gang is here, and it is perfectly clear. Join us at Curtoon Time every day. Curtoon Time, 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 Curtoon Time.
Oh, it's me, Wild Beard Hiccup. You're watching me and all the other characters here on It's Curtoon Time. We're gonna draw 3 cartoons step by step, but first we have to meet Jeebie. Take it away.
I'm Jeebie.
Where's Jeebie?
Without Jeebie.
Oh, you're Jeebie. No, you're Jeebie.
I'm Jeebie. And you're not.
No, I'm not, but I don't know where Jeebie is. I don't even have a watch. Does anyone know what time it is? What time is it?
It's time for Rhea Search.
Where is she?
Over there.
Here I am. Hello, cartoonists. The first cartoon of the show is Slither Rattlesnake, a poisonous reptile. Now, reptiles are cold-blooded, they lay eggs, and they're covered with scales. And I'll be giving you a few more facts throughout the show. Thought you'd like to know.
What am I going to do with this? I saw slithering around the desert. No, you never want to pick up a rattlesnake. This is one of those rubber things, see? You never want to touch a rattlesnake. Very dangerous. They could kill you. We don't want anyone to die out there from a rattlesnake bite. This is one of those rubber things you buy in a toy store. Anyhow, let's get over here and draw Slither Rattlesnake. We're going to draw 3 cartoons. We're going to draw Slither Rattlesnake, another creature, and then we're going to draw the desert scenery. So start towards the top and go towards the left and draw a circle for the eye. I like to draw the eyes. All in favor say aye. Opposed? Okay. The eyes have it. Oh, because my name is Wild Beard. Oh, Hiccup. This is a fake snake. Okay, now let's make the mouth going. All my friends are out there. Hi, Slowpoke. Good to see you. He's one of my buddies. He likes to live on his ranch. He loves ranch dressing. Rhea Search, I'm drawing the eyes. Tell me some facts about the eyes or about a rattlesnake.
Well, the interesting thing about rattlesnakes is that they are nearsighted, and they don't have eyelids but transparent spectacles. Thought you'd like to know.
They're transparent rattle. Okay, oh, let's get back over here and let's draw the jaw. Say that 3 times fast, everybody. Draw the jaw, draw the jaw, draw the jaw. Remember, thank you so much, Cowpoker. Good to see all you little Wild Beard Hiccups. I eat a lot of hot food and it gives me the hiccups. Okay, now we're gonna draw the Slither Snake towards the right. Now, if yours looks a little different, that's okay because we all have our own unique cartoon style. Because my name is Wild Beard Hiccup. Good to see all you cowpokers. Hold up your cartoon. Let's see. Raise your hand if you're having fun. 1, 2, 3. A lot of you are great. Let's get back over here and let's draw the teeth. Draw those fangs. There you go, and on the left, going towards the right. Jeepster, how you doing there, Mr. Musician? Have you ever seen a real rattlesnake before?
No.
You haven't?
Right there?
Well, I'll have to hand it. Is that your cow hand right there?
Yes.
Look at that. No, this is a fake one. It's made out of rubber touch. Okay, let's get back over here. You're a mighty fine musician. Let's make him kind of mean with a V between the eyes. And he's a diamondback, so let's make those diamonds on the back going all the way around, because my name is Wild Beard Hiccup. Now, Rhea Search, you know a lot more about rattlesnakes. Can you tell all the little cartoonist out there another fabulous fact.
I certainly could. Well, those fangs are where you'll find the poison in rattlesnakes. And rattlesnakes like to sink their fangs into their prey. Now, they eat things like small rodents such as mice. Another thing that Wild Beard Hiccup needs to add to his rattlesnake is its forked tongue. And cartoonists, rattlesnakes smell with their tongues. And did you know that rattlesnakes don't have any ears? Thought you'd like to know.
Huh? No. Some husbands don't have ears. They can't hear what the wives are saying. No, let's get back over here. Let's draw the forked tongue sticking out. If there's a fork in the road, pick it up because there might be a spoon nearby. Thank you, Ringo. And draw 2 6s for the nostrils. Oh, how you doing? Good to see you. If you know what nostrils are, then you've been to Italy because they're called nostroli. You put a little Parmesan cheese in there. So, abbondanza. That's a spicy. Okay, good. I didn't mean that. Little snare drum there. Okay, let's draw the rattle. Don't get too rattled from this cartoon. Remember, more rattles, the older the snake. Less rattles, the younger the snake. And there you go for Slither Rattlesnake. Hey, we're going to come right back after Slappy White makes me laugh and makes this fake snake go away. Take it away, Jeepster.
Slither Rattlesnake.
Look at him.
Hello! What a beautiful audience! Why can't you play jokes on snakes? Because you can never pull their legs. You don't know funny.
You too chicken to laugh. Slappy White's pretty funny. What did you think?
He's the best.
Oh, you got it. You're a little slow on that one. See, it depends how intelligent you are. If you get it right away, like most of you cowpokers out there, that means you're pretty smart. It means you're getting his jokes. Maybe you don't think they're funny, but anyhow, we're going to take a peek at those creative cartoons. But first, I have to go to the magic mailbox way over there.
Way over there. To the magic mailbox.
Oh, boy.
There he goes.
I've been riding
There he
horses all day. How you
There
doing,
he
Rhea? Good to
goes.
see you
The
sitting over
magic
there.
Mailbox. There he goes.
Somebody's horsing around. We're going to take a peek at these cartoons right after this important message. I have to go find Creston the mailman. He's flying up in an airplane.
Stick around. Woo-wee! Did somebody page me?
All right, welcome back to It's Curtoon Time. Now, Rhea Search, what are you up to right now?
I am researching lizard facts.
Okay, just don't move. Hold on. I got him. Ooh. Okay, sorry about that. That's right, we're going to take a peek at these lizards right after we take a peek at those creative cartoons that you've been sending in. Look at them all. Hey, look at, there's Krusty the Mailman. Oh boy, take it away.
Totally cool. Thank you so much, Wild Beard Hiccup. Sammy Surf here. Boys and girls, if you don't see your cartoon right now on It's Curtoon Time, after the show, check us out on Curtoon.com, and you might see your cartoon on the official It's Curtoon Time website. Radicool. Come here, Elvis. Well, there's a 1 for the money, a 2 for the show. Samantha, who's 8? Oh, no, she's 6. Don't you know? From Mission Viejo. Thank you very much. Totally radical. Thank you so much, Lynette, 10 years old from Tustin. I like ice cream. Don't scream for ice cream. Something's fishy about this cartoon from Jessie Aliso Viejo. Goes to Wood Canyon School, a radical school. She's 8 years old. Look at Breadstick Rick from Carly, 8 years old, in Irvine. Totally radical. Tony Pelleriti, you're awesome out there from San Clemente. Radical. Look at this tugboat. 6 years old from Mission Viejo from Pat. Totally cool. You get a special It's Curtoon Time award just for sending in your cartoon. Cool.
It's Curtoon Time, Eagle Box 3, 1 aboard San Clemente, California. 9267431 aboard, send your cartoon. It's Curtoon Time, Eagle Box 3, 1 aboard San Clemente, California. 9267431 aboard, send your cartoon.
Oh, those were some of the best cartoons I've ever seen. Remember, if you want to see your cartoons right here on It's Curtoon Time, where'd I put that paper? Oh, yeah, it's right here. All you have to do is add your name, your age, Put a pompadour on everything you draw. No, this is from Elvis Parsley. And put off the far-off farm desert that you live in. Send it to It's Curtoon Time, and like Krusty showed you, you get a special It's Curtoon Time award. You can also check us out on the web at Curtoon.com. You can learn about Jeebie and Jeebie and about all the characters on It's Curtoon Time, and check out Cox at Home down there too as well. So anyhow, yeah, it is funky. Hey, I don't have a watch. Chicken, do you have a watch? No. What time is it?
It's time for Rhea Search.
Where is she? Oh, there she is.
I bet you've guessed by now, Curtoonists, the next cartoon of the show is a lizard. This lizard is named Liza Lizard. Did you Curtoonists know that cartoon lizards, as well as real lizards, live on every continent except Antarctica? Another interesting fact is that lizards are cold-blooded. That means that they sun themselves to get warm, and they cool themselves off in the shade. Thought you'd like to know.
I apologize. I was just goofing around with Rhea and I kind of threw her off a little bit. Okay, because my name's Wild Beard Hiccup. I get the hiccups when I eat a lot of hot sauce, a lot of hot food. This is a hot cartoon. Let's get over here. We're going to draw the eye. This lizard's going to be looking towards the right because we're going to be drawing cartoons step by step. Yee-haw, all you little cowpokers out there. And now we're going to do is we're going to draw the eye. I like to draw the eyes. I like to draw them so much, all you little cowpokers out there. Now we're going to do is we're going to draw the nose going all the way around for Liza Lizard, so give it a try. All you little cowpokers out there, yee-haw. Somebody took my pen. I don't know where it is. What's so funny?
Liza.
What's on my hip?
On
Show
your
me.
other hip.
What hip? You're kidding me. Somebody played a trick on me. I bet that he does Jeepster. No, I know you're Jeebie, but that's why he's not here, because he knew he was playing a joke on me.
You did it.
Okay, that's why. Because I'm Wild Beard Hiccup. Okay, let's get back over here. Let's draw the other eye for that perspective. Can everybody say perspective? There you go.
Perspective.
And now let's draw the tongue sticking out, because lizards like to stick out their tongue as they lounge around. Remember, on the top of the cartoon we drew Slither Rattlesnake. Now we're drawing Liza Lizard. A lizard. Oh boy. That's strike again. Let me see if I can do that again. Ready? Strike again. Just one more. Right. Thank you. Oh no, I'm sorry. Okay, let's draw two lines for the arms, and let's draw the fingers for the arm and the hands. The arm and hammer, lizard arm. Rhea Search, you know so much about the lizards. Can you tell me another fabulous fact about lizards? Take it away.
Certainly. Another interesting fact about lizards is that they have sharp eyesight and incredible hearing. They also like to eat insects and snails. Thought you'd like to know.
Their eyesight is sharp. Watch, I'll show you. Watch. Ow, ow, ow. I touched their eyes and it hurt. Thank you. Because my name is Wild Beard Hiccup. Okay, let's draw two more lines for the back, and let's draw the feet. If you have difficulty cartooning the feet, I call it the agony of the feet. Don't feel defeated. Oh, listen. Slowpoke Joe had a heebie-jeebie, and Wild Beard Hiccup, I don't know. What song is this?
Heck if I know.
I don't know. It's better than aerobics. I'm burning 10 calories if I do this for a week. Want a square dance or oval dance? Okay, let's go. Oh, you're a fun boy. Are you having too much fun out there? Remember, we're drawing cartoons step by step. It's Curtoon Time, the show where you learn how to draw three different cartoons step by step. Okay, strike again. There you go for the top of the lizard, and then go on down. Watch, I'm gonna get a strike again.
How'd you do that?
I faked you out, everybody. Okay, now we're gonna draw just two lines in the back and in the front, because we're gonna draw them on a rock. And now let's draw the nostrils on the left and then on the right. That's Jeebie. No wonder he's not here. He's fooling around with my Jeep. Oh.
What color did it used to be?
Well, the barn, he could fix it, I think. Now let's do that song, remember? Wild Beard Hiccup had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a snake, E-I-E-I-O, with a slither here and a slither there, here a slither, there a slither, everywhere a slither. It's Wild Beard Hiccup.
I know who you are.
I had a farm. Okay, it was in the desert, right, Rhea? Okay, there you go. Now we're gonna add some eyelashes since it is a girl. So draw 3 on the right, and then 3 on the left. So on the right and on the left. 3 plus 3 is what, everybody? 6. That's right. Rhea Search knows because she's always researching. And if you'd like, you could draw a tongue. Actually, that's not the tongue. That's the lips by the tongue. There you go. Rhea Search, did you have any more information about lizards or snakes or anything before we draw all the scenery around?
Well, one more interesting fact about that lizard, cartoonist, is that if a lizard loses its tail in a fight with an enemy, it'll grow a new one back in just a couple months. Thought you'd like to know.
That's a good trick. Now, if you lose your homework, another one doesn't magically grow back and appear, so it doesn't apply to everything. Thank you so much for watching. We had fun drawing Liza Lizard. We're going to laugh with Slappy Right, so take it away.
Hello! How do you stop a snake from striking? Pay it decent wages. You don't know funny.
That was funny. Slappy, you make me laugh. Hey, okay.
Stop it. You're making me laugh.
Excuse me. I laugh so hard sometimes, corn and beans. Okay, anyhow. Ooh, let's go. Can I check out those creative cartoons over there? Okay.
There we go. Magic mailbox. There we go.
Uh-oh. Which
Where
way?
Are you going? There he goes. Magic mailbox.
I fooled you, didn't I? Put the chicken in there. We're going to take a peek at all these great cartoons right after this important, what are they called? Massages. Can you just a little bit right there? We'll be yeah. We'll be right back. Right after this important massage or message.
Cartooning kids.
Stick around. Woo-wee! Did somebody page me?
Oh, welcome back to It's Curtoon Time. We're going to take a peek at those cartoons right now because Krusty the Mailman's flying on over. So let's take a peek up in the sky. Everybody look in the sky and we'll see them and we'll see your cartoons.
Totally radical. Sammy Surf here, Krusty the Mailman. Learn how to fly an airplane, and Wild Beard Hiccup. You're doing an awesome job. Practice. Remember, check us out on Curtoon.com. You might see your cartoon on the official It's Curtoon Time website on Curtoon.com. We change them out all the time. Look at Matthew's cartoon, though. He's 7 years old from Mission Viejo. Totally radicool. Carissa from San Clemente, 9.5. You guys are the best. Well, thank you. And you are one of the best cartoonists I've ever seen. Tim, 8 years old from Irvine of Scuba Steve. Totally radicool. I like that. That is awesome. Matthew, 5 years old from Mission Viejo of Zero, the hero. Totally radicool. Hey, Doug the Spark Plug. Remember that song? That is from Kevin in Irvine, 7.5 years old. Yo, ho. Pirate Petey here. Nathan, thanks for drawing a cartoon with me. You're 11 years old. You live out in Rancho Santa Margarita. We're going to give you a cartoon and all the other cartoonists a Cartoon Award. Here.
It's Curtoon Time, Eagle Box 314, San Clemente, California. 9267431 aboard, send your cartoon. It's Curtoon Time, Eagle Box 314, San Clemente, California. 9267431 aboard, send your cartoon.
Oh, I guess we're on. Hey, I'm on, you're on, we're all sitting here. You're watching a TV show. I'm here to entertain you. That's why I'm here, because my name is Wild Beard Hiccup. I love to eat all that hot sauce. Those were great cartoons, all you cowpokers out there. If you want to see your cartoon on It's Curtoon Time, on every cartoon, you draw, write your name, your age, and the far-off cartoon land that you live in. Send it only one to It's Curtoon Time. And if you're patient, you'll see it right here on the show. What time is it? Do you know?
It's time for Rhea Search.
Take it away.
The last cartoon of the show, we are going to add something really special to the cartoons that you already have. We're going to add some Wild Beard background. That's right, cartoonists. We're going to add some interesting things that you would see if you visited a desert. One thing you would notice about the desert is it's very, very dry. Most deserts receive less than 10 inches of rain a year, and there are some that receive less than a ½ inch of rain a year. Another interesting thing about deserts is they're very, very hot. On an average day, temperatures can reach 120 degrees. Thought you'd like to know.
Thought you'd like to know. Thought you'd like to know. Oh, thought you'd like to know. Thought you'd like to know. Oh, thought you'd like to know. Thought you'd like. Don't stop. It was good.
You'd like to know. Thought you'd like to know. Thought you'd like to know.
Thank you. Okay, let's get over here and let's draw the rock. Okay, so he's on a rock. You can get another color, or you can use the same color. So you can draw the rock, because there's rocks out in the desert. And now we're gonna draw a little cliff over here. What was that actor's name? Robert Cliff? I don't remember. And then you're gonna add some little circles and add some shading. Uh-oh. Where's...
Can you turn that off, please?
I got it. It was in my pocket. Sorry about that. Okay, let's draw a skull here. Numbskull. So draw kind of a zigzaggedy zoogity, kind of like a pear shape, and then draw the eyes, because sometimes these poor cows, they just, they kind of crash and burn. Are you guys horsing around out there? Remember, we're on the desert and it's really warm. Too bad we weren't in an oasis. Oh, good to see everybody out there. You having fun? Hold up your cartoon. Let's see. Very nice. Okay, let's draw the nostrils on the left and on the right, and we can draw the bottom portion of the skull. And now we're gonna draw a cactus in the corner. All you do is go around, up. We're pretty sophisticated here on the ranch in the desert. Good to see everybody. All the farm animals. How you doing? Good to see you. One of the animals is calling from the cell phone. Hold on a second. I've got my trusty pen phone. They're the latest rage. Yes. Okay, you can stop dialing now.
Wild Beard, your shipment of hot sauce is in.
Okay, yes. Oh. Quit horsing around. Do you have a tall tale to tell? Rhea Search, do you have any more information they want to know about this scene that we're drawing here as I'm coloring in and adding some color and stuff?
Well, a couple more things. First of all, cartoonists, the largest desert in the world is the Sahara Desert, which is located on the continent of Africa. And another interesting fact about the desert is plants like the cactus don't need a lot of water to live. Fortunately, they don't, because there's not a lot of water in the desert. Thought you'd like to know.
Well, there's a lot of water right there. Now, as she was talking, I was adding some lines, and you can add some detail to Liza Lizard. Remember, we're adding a lot of different detail to our 3 cartoons. We drew Slither, Rattlesnake, Liza Lizard. Now we're adding a lot of detail to our cartoon. So get out different colors. You could use any kind of colors, because remember, there's so many different kinds of lizards. And then you can add some color to your Slither Rattlesnake. Now, rattlesnakes really aren't pink. They kind of blend in. Here we go. All right. All these animals are doing just so much stuff out there. Rhea Search, how you doing there?
Very good. Just wanting to make sure you add some spikes to that really spiky, spiny cactus down there in the corner.
Thank you. Okay, that's right. Those cacti. You don't ever want to go up and pet a cactus, so let's add those spikes. All right, there you go for the scenery. And if you'd like, you can add some clouds. Hopefully you have a marker that isn't dried out like mine. See, if you're in the desert, sometimes these things get all dried out. And let's see what else we could draw. Hey, I have a pen right here, so we can add stuff in the background. We can draw mountains and add some action lines. Can all you cowpokers say action lines? There you go, and add some scales. A lot of detail. There you go. Did you guys have fun on your cartoon? Raise your hand. Rhea Search did. Jeebie and Jeebie did. Oh, Jeebie's over there at the animals. Jeebie, I told you, feed the slop to the pigs. We'll be right back after this important message with Slappy White. Take it away.
Hello! What did the window say to the door? What are you squeaking about? I'm the one with the pain. You don't know funny.
That was a great cartoon. Thank you so much for watching Rhea Search. Thank you so much. Where'd you get all those great facts?
From this great book called Let's Cartoon the Animals.
Well, thank you so much. We had so much fun. We drew Slither Rattlesnake, we drew Liza Lizard, and then we drew the background, which was awesome. Jeebie, thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Curtoon Time. Thanks for being out there. Thanks for tuning in. Simple and silly, there's always more to learn.
Simple and silly.
Practice, practice, practice. Send your cartoons in.
That's right.
Soon you'll see your cartoons on TV. Curtoon Time.
Practice,
Curtoon Time. Curtoon Time.
practice.
Radicule. Tell all your friends we're on Channel 3.
Channel 3?
Fox Cable is the place for you and me. Curtoon Time.
Keep your tune in.
Curtoon
Simple and silly. Bye, cowpokers. See you Tuesday, Tunicalette. Bye-bye. Thanks for tuning in. Ziggity-zoo. Walk the plank. Bye-bye. Practice, practice, practice.